Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor D.S. Kamre, Department of Commerce, GKG College, Kolhapur. Previous topic we learned creation of company. What is the methods of creation of company? Now we see accounting vouchers. Accounting vouchers are nothing but the journals of the transactions, or these are separate accounting entries of every transaction. In ledger, you have opened various ledger accounts. Now, here we learn to open or create accounting vouchers. As you know that in accountancy, first of all, you have learned to journalize every accounting entry because it is very important and basic part of double entry accounting system. In Tally ERP 9, there are 4 basic accounting vouchers. First, contra entry. Second, payment entry. Third, receipt entry. Fourth, journal entry. First, the word contra means against opposites when there are only 2 columns, cash account and bank account, and any transaction is done cash to bank, bank to cash, or bank to bank. A contra entry is required to be done, and against every debit entry there is a credit entry. Here in manual accounting entries you have to decide which account to be debited and which to be credited by applying the basic rules of nominal, personal and real accounts. In Tally ERP 9 is done automatically closed. Below every journal entry, the narration is given which gives information about the transaction. In Tally also you have to give the narrations. Second, payment entry. It is an entry for making payment either through bank or by cash. Third, receipt entry. It is an entry for receiving an amount of either in cash or in the bank account. For journal entry, some transaction took place without involving any cash or bank account. Entries of such transactions took place without involving any cash or bank account. Entries of such transactions are made under journal entry, such as depreciation, outstanding expenses, accrued incomes, outstanding payments, accounting adjustment and closing entry, etc. Now we will make some voucher entries. To make the entry in accounting vouchers, first open the gateway of Tally menu screen. Under the transactions menu, select accounting vouchers and press enter on your keyboard. There may be opened any voucher, so select the required voucher from vertical button bar. F4 contra, F7 journal, F5 payment, F6 receipt, and F9 purchase. We have here we have selected receipt vouchers by clicking on F6 receipt button on vertical button bar. Then press F2 or F2 date button on vertical button bar. Make the changes in the date as per the date of transactions or payment received. Then press enter. The account field become activate. You have only 2 options there to enter, either bank account or cash account. As per mode of payment received, select the options and press enter, then you have to enter the debtor's name and then press enter. Then under amount field you have to enter the amount. Then the press enter third times and the transaction type. You have to enter check number, date, etc. and included the narration field will open. Enter whatever narrations you want to enter as the information of transaction. Then the press enter yes or no, dialog box will open. Press enter and first voucher is complete. Now we will prepare sales voucher. Press F8 on your keyboard or click on F8. Sales button on vertical button bar. Apply the same procedure as followed while preparing receipt voucher. Debit note. In any business, debit note and credit note are the parts of daily transactions. If there are sales returns or purchase return, transaction of goods return, the debit note or credit note is issued when the goods are returned by a buyer. The buyer issues a debit note to the seller, and for the same transactions when the goods are received by a seller, the seller issues a credit note to the buyer or customer. In this case, when the goods are returned, the seller does not directly issue the amount for the goods returned. This way, the seller gives the credit up to the amount of cost of returned books instead of giving cash back. This credit note is a proof to buy any other goods from the seller up to the cost of returned goods without paying any amount. When a buyer or a customer returns the goods to the seller, the buyers issue debit note to seller and the buyers will show debit balance in his books of account. To prepare debit and credit notes in Tally, first you have to enable for this open gateway of Tally menu, then the press F11 key on your keyboard or bring the cursor on F11 features button on vertical button bar and click on it. So select accounting in features and press enter or press A on your keyboard. अकाउंट व्हाउचर्स मध्ये टॅलीच्या माध्यमातून आपण ज्यावेळी सोडवत असतो, कॉम्प्युटरमध्ये फिडिंग करत असताना आपल्याला कशा पद्धतीने केलं जातं, अकाउंटिंग व्हाउचर्स कशा पद्धतीने फिडिंग केलं जातं. व्हाउचर्सचा अर्थ पावती असा मराठीमध्ये. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या पावत्या असतात. बिझनेस ट्रान्झॅक्शन मध्ये वेगवेगळ्या पावत्या ज्या असतात त्या घेतल्या जातात किंवा वापरल्या जातात. मग त्याची एंट्री कशी केली जाते, तर त्याचे प्रामुख्याने 4 प्रकार येतात. एक तर कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री, पेमेंट एंट्री, रिसिप्ट एंट्री आणि जर्नल एंट्री. यामध्ये एंट्री करत असताना आपल्याला स्टेप बाय स्टेप बघत असताना आपल्याला डायरेक्ट आपण F4 कॉन्ट्रा असेल तर F4 दाबू शकतो, पेमेंट असेल तर F5 दाबायचं, त्यानंतर रिसिप्ट असेल तर F6 प्रेस करा, जर्नल असेल तर F7 प्रेस करा, सेल्सच्या पावत्या असेल तर F8 आणि परचेस काही तुम्ही जर केला असेल तर त्यामधून प्रेस 9 दाबायचं. सिलेक्ट कंपनी केल्यानंतर क्रिएशन कंपनी आपण ज्यावेळी करतो, अकाउंटमध्ये आपण टॅली ओपन करतो, क्रिएशन ऑफ कंपनी केलेली असते, त्यावेळी क्रिएशन कंपनी करून झाल्यानंतर तुमची पूर्ण नावाची कंपनी तयार होते. आणि ह्यामध्ये मग तुम्हाला एंट्र्या ज्या असतात त्या व्हाउचरच्या एंट्र्या कशा करायच्या असतात. प्रत्येक हेडिंग खाली पेमेंट तुम्ही कुठलं केलेलं आहे, तुम्हाला कुठून पैसे मिळालेले आहेत, सर्वसामान्य त्याचे खर्च कसे असतात, विक्री किती झालेली आहे, परचेसची बिलं किती आलेली आहेत, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टची किती आलेली आहेत बिलं, ही सगळी बिलं किंवा ह्या सगळ्या व्हाउचर्सच्या एंट्र्या ह्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला ह्यामध्ये फिडिंग करायचे असतात. मग तुम्ही F4 दाबल्यानंतर कॉन्ट्रा ओपन होते. कॉन्ट्रा ओपन केल्यानंतर तिथं तुम्हाला सगळे फिलिंग्स व्हाउचर्स तुम्ही तिथं फिलिंग करायचे. सगळं त्याची डेट वगैरे असेल, त्याचा नंबर वगैरे असेल, तिथं सगळ्या तुम्ही व्हाउचरचा सगळी माहिती तिथं आपल्याला भरायची असते. ह्यामध्ये सर्वात गोष्टी कुठल्या येतात, प्रामुख्याने कॉन्ट्रा, पेमेंट, रिसिप्ट, जर्नल आणि परचेस. थँक्यू.